Hey guys, welcome to Kitafit YouTube. What we're going to do in this workout today is we are going to show you things that you can do for your posture. I'm going to start making these videos a little bit smaller, so for those of you that are at home and you only have like 10 minutes, this is going to be a 10-minute beautiful posture workout. With this one, what you want to think about is I want your shoulders even. So I don't want them forward like this, and I don't want them too far back where you're standing like this. But I want you to think that where your ears are, I want your shoulders to fall right there. And see how far forward your chin goes? That's a no-no. I want you right back in neutral. So just enough room to almost imagine a ball right here. Okay, so the ball, you can hold it right there, that's great. If it's down too far like that, the ball is gonna fall out. So I want you just to have enough little room right there. Also, on your edges of your shoulders, you should be able to balance two little teacups right here. So a teacup here and a teacup here. And let me kind of show you what that looks like. How does that go into the water? Well, we're gonna use this to see what side I'm favoring, the right or the left. So I might have to bring that camera down just a little bit. But as you're walking, you want to think of those shoulders opening up, the chest lifting, shoulders falling back. I'm just going to bring this down just one little notch here. One little notch, and that way it'll be in the shade. It won't get so hot. Beautiful. So as we're doing this, this board's going to stay right into neutral. We're walking backwards, so that's a toe, ball of your foot, and then your heel. Toe, ball, heel, toe, ball, heel. Now this looks really easy to do. It's not necessarily easy though. So it's heel, ball, toe, and then we push back. Now see this board? We're gonna try to keep that board even, okay? So if you're off and you're going like down on one side, you see how that board will fall off? So you're gonna keep a nice, beautiful, neutral curve in your back. Now we're gonna slowly integrate those arms. We're gonna come up into a bicep and push back. So you're pushing up and you're pushing back. Pushing up, pushing back. So we're just gonna add that in. This is just a real gentle workout. If you're just getting started, say you haven't had hip surgery, you've been sick, you just need a real gentle restorative workout. This is just gonna help you with your posture, okay? So now we're just gonna ramp it up a little bit with those arms. Push back, up, push back, up, push back, up. So we exhale, shh, exhale, shh. Spirit, come here, shh. Spirit, come here. Good, and then we're gonna just push back again. Inhale, exhale, push. Inhale, exhale, push. Inhale, exhale, push. Inhale, exhale, push. Beautiful. Now, as we kind of start getting going, we're going to put our hands on our hips, and we're just going to integrate a little tiny jog, okay? And you're going to push back through that water. You're going to see a little bit of a current come as we push back. So we're going to inhale and exhale. Shh, 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 shh. My little Pomeranian is saying she wants to be on camera, so let's just get a little quick zip of her. Can you see her? Is she right there? There she is, and there she goes. She has to go announce herself to all the lizards. We'll get the camera back again. Kiko, no. That's my Shar-Pei. He's inside looking out at me. Anyway, I want to get that little cute, I got this cute little boat. See my little sailboat right there? Love that little boat. Okay, so we're just gonna move this right here like this. Move it to the side so it doesn't have any chance of falling in. And we're gonna push back. So now this is a little jog. Jog, jog, jog. Catch your wall, jog, 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 back. So you see how gentle we're going? If you can't quite do a jog like this, just do whatever you can do. But keep that board balanced. So we're going backwards and we're coming forward. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the knee. So we're gonna go slow. Knee comes up, arms push back, arms push back, arms push back. So what we're doing here, and the focus that I really want you to do is I want you to drive that knee up. Make sure you're driving that knee up. Drive. Now we're gonna add that jog. See how my board's starting to fall off this side? So I need to replant it, reconnect with that core, and here we go. Knees. Shh, 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 shh. Exhale. Shh, 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 shh. Exhale. Shh, 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 shh. Beautiful. Kiko, no, sorry, you guys. Shar-Peis sometimes can sound like orangutans. Here we go. Push. Push. Now I'm gonna get down in the water, push and pull. Pull. And it's shallow enough, I can almost get to my knees right here, so I'm gonna pull and push. Push. And that's okay, that just means my core is shutting off. So when I engage that core, shh. We're just bringing our arms back and pushing forward. Bringing them back, pushing forward, just nice and slow. 9, 8, keep that core engaged. 7, 6, push. 5, push. 4, 3, 2, 1. If you need to rest, rest. Otherwise, level 3s, keep going. 1, 2, 3. Okay, level 2s and 1s, come on back with us. Here we go, push. Push. Engage that core, engage that core. Here's what it looks like from back. Push. 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 Beautiful. Now from this side, exhale, push. 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 Engage that core, engage that core. Now, this is gonna be 90 degree with the arms. We're gonna pull and push. 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 Here we go. Push. Up. That's in my little. So it tends to be falling on my right side, so that what that's going to tell me is I'm not focusing on that right side enough. So here we go. Good. Now we're going to go back to our walks, but we're going to walk in a squat. You're going to inhale and exhale, pull back. Arms up, 90 degrees, in and out, push. You have to move nice and slow, so you can really feel that beautiful pull. Beautiful. Now we're going to stand up. We're going to go back to our walks. Heel, ball, toe. Heel, ball, toe. Heel, ball, toe. Push back. Heel, ball, toe. Heel, ball, toe. Now the next thing we're going to work is the glute medius, which in a lot of people shuts off, and that's why a lot of them are in back pain. So we're going to go to the side, and we're going to, here's what it looks like. We're going to push out to the side, step. Out to the side, step. Push back. Out to the side, step. Out to the side, step. And I'm going to do a side view here. Step together. Shh. Shh. Now we're going to go back. Shh. 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 So level 1s, keep standing. Level 2s, you're gonna bend down in your knees, in and out. Keep those legs in a squat position, toes stay forward. Okay, I'm gonna show you up from this position right here. Arms stay out. Push, your legs are in a squat position, out, push. Come together, push out, push. Good, switch, exhale, shh. Kiko, no, shh, exhale. Beautiful, exhale. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just add a little jog on the bottom. You can keep your chest underneath. It's almost like a little squat with a kick out. And then we're gonna go backwards. Shh. 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 And then what you're gonna do is as you're doing that, as you slowly start to increase doing that back and forth, so you're gonna do those front walks, then you're gonna do all that balance work, really breathe up through the top of your head, and then just add in jogs, add in those chest press is the first one, and then that chest fly pushing out. Remember, pull the water in and then push it out. You guys are going to do amazing. Remember to visit Kitafit.com. That's where I'm uploading all of my beautiful YouTube videos. Also, just go to Kitafit YouTube and look under hip replacement. So I have an entire menu that I've organized all my videos for very specific purposes. So if you look under there, my hip rehab, I also have Kita Fitness workouts that you can do. I have chair workouts that you can do. So just join me, like and subscribe. Just press that little button down there and you'll get notified. I post a video every day. So every day there's new content. It could be music, it could be food, it could be what I'm doing, it could be a spiritual insight, a vlog, or it could be a water workout, it could be anything your heart can imagine. I just hope that you become part of the family. Leave your comments below and let me know specifically what you're looking for, and I will dedicate a video just to you. Take care and have a great day. Bye. Love you.